Hello, welcome back to the pet room. David Bradley here. So I have a plan. I do. At least I think I do. I'm going to put this light up in here so I can see better. And I am going to remove all the RAM chips from this board. One by one by one by one by one. So I'm going to be careful. I am. Indeed, that's one. Only 16 more, no, 15 more to go. And why am I doing this? Well, the machine only needs 4 RAM chips to run. I'm putting these in the configuration that they came out upside down in the board. I am. All right. Some of them are a little more attached than others. As I said, there's only 16 of them. Well, there's actually 18 such chips in the pet. 2 of them are the screen RAM. We've already tested them. So, come on. They are putting up a fight. All right, that's 5. So this shouldn't take too long. That's 6. And what I'm going to do in this video is 7. Well, I suppose once I get all but 4 out, I can turn it on and see if it does anything differently. But then, I'm assuming it won't do anything differently. That is a tough one. I will take 4 out of the machine next door from the same positions, put them in, and see what happens. All right. That's 9. That one came out. 10. 11. 12. All right. So now the 12 of them are out, and we only need 4. We'll turn it on, and we'll probably see that nothing much has changed. But you never know, you know. No, it's much the same. So I'm going to actually push around a little inside and just see if anything is getting remarkably hot. And it is not. So, no change. So we'll turn it off. That's 1. Two. Just 2 more to go. And then we'll put these other ones in. That is the plan. All of these are now lined up as they came out. All right. So they're all out. The machine is off. This machine is off. We'll steal the 4 RAM chips here. And put them in, and then we'll see if anything at all has changed. I'll take them all out of here. Once I'm all lit up here, set them in position, and then move the light. All right, almost there. All right, the light is in position. That's fun. Two. Three. So close. Oh, no. There's always one tricky one. Oh, it feels good, but it's not good. Hang on. What's going on here? Oh, I think we're a little bit south. Okay, we have 4 RAM chips, and we're going to turn it on and see if anything has changed. And nothing has changed. Well, what does that mean? Well, it means it's probably something besides RAM. I'm just going to touch around for anything that feels remarkably hot. And knowing from the last time I worked on one of these, remember I found 4 ROM chips that were bad. 4 of them. And I really can't test the ROM chips in the blue bezel pit because you got to change them all because they're all different. Oh, you know what? I thought one of them was feeling overly hot. Oh, yeah. It is. So, last thing for this video. Just a second. I'll turn this off. Just because we can. We're going to pop this one out. This is the one on the farthest of the right side. It looks like it's number 19. Just a moment. We'll go to this spare board here. We'll pop out the same chip. Being very careful to not drop it and never mix these up. And the only reason I'm doing this is because, boy, that chip was getting a lot hotter than others. Okay, so the replacement ROM is in. We'll turn it on and it will probably be exactly the same. Oh, but I see now a flashing cursor, which I did not see before. What happens if I type? Okay, so definitely we have some ROM issues, it is likely. Interesting. But I can't see anything. It's all white with black things. All right, I'm just going to put this down for a second. We can just get a better look. Anyway, looks like probably ROMs again. All right. So there is the screen. I don't know if you can, boy, and the keys are stuck. Some of them, oh my word, the space bar. It's like glue. Now it's stuck down. Oh, a bunch of them are really, really, well, they move. Some of them, this is going to take some tidying. So they're kind of working, but the screen is kind of squirrely. So, I think I'll turn it off. Open it up. Put the leg in place. Retrieve the light. Turn it off. Put the ROM chip back inside, upside down, lined up with where it should be. And we'll look at this more another time. Thanks for coming to the pet room. David Bradley signing off. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.